Today we're going to be learning about special people in RE. Shall we remind ourselves about the story about Grandad and Grandma? Every Sunday we go to Grandad and Grandma's with our mum for dinner. Tim and I love going there. Grandad and Grandma let us play upstairs. We think it's a very special place. Grandma knows how much we like to look at all the photographs on the stairs, on the landing and in the bedrooms. There are so many of them. Tim and I make up games to play. We count them, try to spot the new ones, and see if we can remember who all the people in the photographs are. Grandma says, "These are all my special people. They are our family. You are there, as well as your mum, Uncle Brian, and cousins." Tim and I are glad we're Grandma's special people. She is one of our special people too. Some of the photographs are of people we don't really know. There is one of Monica, Grandma's best friend, who lives down the next road. They go shopping together every week. Another is of Sally, the district nurse, who helps to look after Grandad when he was very ill last year. Tim's favourite photograph is the one of Grandma and Grandad with all of their friends and neighbours. It was taken at the community centre last year at a party. Grandma has so many photographs because she has so many special friends. I couldn't tell you about them all today, as it would take too long. Perhaps you could think of people who are special to you. Now, I just want you to take a moment to think about some people that are special to you. Now, we did it last week, so hopefully you'll be able to remember. Okay, now we're going to think about some questions to do with the story. I want you to have a little pause of the video and think about the questions that I'm going to ask you now. What do Joe and Tim like to do at Grandma and Grandad's? Who are the people in the photographs? Who are the special people Joe tells you about? Can you think of some other people who may have been special for Grandma? Who are special people in your lives? Are there special people in our school community? Do you know any other special people? Okay, once you've paused that video, you can have a think about all of those questions. After you've talked about the questions, I want you to see if you can make a list of some special people and why they are special and how they help you. Once you've made a list, I want you to put those ideas and all those people into proper sentences and write them down. Fill in the sheet and submit it via Google Classroom so I can see all of your special people in your lives.